What's up guys, it's Chantal here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm gonna be sharing a new tutorial with you all today, and it's all about how I take care of my hair after I've just washed it. I literally just washed my hair like 30 minutes ago, so I decided I'm just gonna walk you guys through the steps that I take, what products I'm using, and yeah, I hope this is really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to subscribe below so that I can keep these videos coming for you. It just helps me to know whether or not y'all are actually interested in watching. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by sharing with you the shampoo that I used. I shampooed my hair with the Long & Luxe shampoo by As I Am. I don't really have a specific shampoo that I like to use, as long as it's sulfate free and it's gentle. I just like to find one that's good enough. So I used this. I did shampoo my hair in sections, so I'll go ahead and show you. When I'm washing my hair, it's almost always in twists. Now I actually still have to deep condition my hair. I haven't put anything on it. I'm gonna be using the TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. This is probably one of my favorite deep conditioners. Now my hair is still pretty damp, actually. So, oop. That's about how much I'm gonna use per section. And then when I'm applying products to my hair, I always work from the ends and go up. And I do the sandwich method. I just like sandwich my hair between my hands and I just pull it down. I find that this gives me a much more even application of the product, and yeah, it's less invasive than using like a comb or going, you know, I just find that it's a really good way to get the product evenly distributed. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, and that's it. First section done. I'm gonna go on to this section. Deep conditioning is something that I've gotten into the habit of doing because I find that it really helps to soften my hair. It just adds a boost of like moisture. So if you don't deep condition your hair, I recommend you give it a try. There's no harm in trying. See what you think. It's really all about finding the right product though. Like when you do find the right product, it changes the game. So those are done and done. So that's this section. I actually love the way that this shampoo left my hair feeling. Like it feels amazing. My hair likes to knot immediately. Like these are all potential knots. So that's why I stretch my hair, because if I don't stretch my hair, it will not. So my wash day routine is pretty simple. I just shampoo in sections and then add deep conditioner to my hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I rinse it out and I just twist my hair in the sections that they're already in. Yeah, so this is where my texture changes a little bit, right around the crown of my head. Like it gets a little bit looser over here. I'm back. And I'm done with applying the deep conditioner. So I used this. And now I'm going to put a plastic bag over my head. So I'm very old school, still using plastic bags to deep condition my hair. Sometimes I don't even do this step. Sometimes I'll just let this sit on my hair for like 20 minutes without a bag or anything. So it's on. Gotta get all the hair in there. And this step usually takes about 30 minutes, between like 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on, I'm gonna eat something, and then I will come back, rinse it out, and show you what I'm gonna use for moisturizing my hair. It has been over 30 minutes, I think, and I'm about to take this plastic bag off, rinse out my hair, and finish up with this whole process. So hopefully I have enough energy to finish strong. Anyway, I'm gonna go rinse my hair out. I'll just take this off but my hair feels okay. It feels really good actually. It feels like really soft and like squishy, like spongy. It's like, it's a weird texture. I don't know how to describe it, but it just feels like you just want to like play with it because it's so squishy. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I rinsed my hair and I just have it in a t-shirt right now. I'm gonna show you the next step. So after rinsing, this is one of the most important steps. Now, this is where most people get lost. Like after they finish washing, conditioning their hair, they're just like, okay, what now? And this is where you want to have the right products that are actually going to moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for as long as possible. Oh my gosh, why? After I wash my hair, the first thing I add is a leave-in conditioner. Anything that's water-based, that's light but still moisturizing is a good way to start. A lot of leave-in conditioners do have a lot of really beneficial ingredients, and it's just a nice base to start off with. I'm going to be using the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner by TGIN. I honestly don't love this conditioner very much. It's just okay, but I need to finish it, so that's why I'm going to be using it. I'm just going to go in with some oil. This is a mixture of coconut oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and castor oil. So I'm just going to use some of this to block in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just using these two to style my hair, just a leave-in conditioner and some oil. That's it. That's all I'm using. Doing these twists will not only serve as a protective style to keep my hair moisturized, but it's also going to help stretch my hair. So I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. And that's really it. I'm probably gonna leave these twists in for a couple of days. I may take them down tomorrow just to show you guys how my hair turns out, so just for the sake of the video, but then I'll probably put them right back in. So that's really it. That's my whole process. I just really wanted to show the steps of, especially when I'm moisturizing my hair and twisting my hair, and really talk through what I'm doing. So I hope this video was helpful and useful. If it even helps one person, that's great. My goal is accomplished. But yeah, please let me know if you have any other questions. Leave any suggestions for videos that you would like to see. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more content from me. Thank you and bye y'all. What's up guys? So it is the next day and I just took my twists out and these are the results of the steps that I followed. I'm really loving how my hair feels. It feels really moisturized, it feels really soft, and yeah, I'm probably gonna go back in and retwist it either later today or tomorrow just to give my hair a little bit more stretch, because it can definitely stretch a little bit more. But yeah, I hope this was helpful and it gives you some insight on what steps to take when you are moisturizing your hair after you wash it. So let me know if you try any of these steps and how it goes for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye.